Hawking radiation. The explanation in 1 minute memory lasts for a whole year. In here, I will explain Hawking radiation and the meaning of the Hawking radiation. And the meaning of Hawking radiation is highly related with hologram theory, where all information of black hole is recorded in the surface of black hole. So, I will explain it. Hawking radiation is the thermodynamic effect on the surface of black hole. Black hole should be the coldest area because there should be no warm object near the surface, but near the black hole there is warm effect, which is Hawking effect. And within this, thermodynamical radiation can come out even though all radiations should come in, not out. And this easily explained by Heisenberg principle. The thickness of black hole surface is zero, so the delta x is zero. But as you see, as delta x is zero, the delta momentum goes to the infinity. So the particle on the surface of black hole should have infinite momentum, and that is why the radiation can come out from black hole. And within Hawking radiation, we can decode that the information of black hole. So if we can get close to black hole, we can read the data of radiation, and it tells us the information of black holes. In this picture, there are gravity loops within which we can decode the gravity information of particle inside black hole. And in this lecture, I will explain how we can do that within topology. Oh man. The proof that black hole has 4D record and 5D record in the surface. A dimensional sphere with volume divergence. Notification. S3D is a sphere with volume divergence, and DS3D is boundary of a sphere with volume divergence. And S31 is a sphere with volume 1, and DS31 is a boundary of a sphere with volume 1. If DS3D exists, DS3D is homeomorphic with 4-dimensional Euclidean space. As DS3D exists, DS3D is homeomorphic with 4-dimensional Euclidean space. 4D Euclidean space is metric space with 4 independent variables. And this is a usual 4-dimensional space we usually say. So we can say DS3D is 4D, and using the topology I will explain the CFT correspondence theory. The bulk of black hole have volume divergence. The next equation is about ADS space-time metric of a black hole spark. Local prop time and prop length and C are like this. A relation between energy and distance, boundary, and bulk is following. Where Young-Mills energy is proportional to 1 per Z and Young-Mills distance is proportional to Z. So we have like this, you can calculate near singularities, there are infinite energy, which means epsilon dz can go to 0 and z is an opposite, and this is homeomorphic to infinite length. So we showed UV divergence, which means black hole has infinite curvature. This is proof, this good art for the fact. Now I will prove black hole is a sphere using CFT. CFT S4. CFT becomes 4D becomes space, which is the surface of a black hole has a topology of R multiplied by S3, and S3 satisfies S3 is R3 plus infinity. So CFT can be expressed as R4 plus infinity, and this is the same as the S4, which is the boundary of 5D sphere. Topology of CFT is R multiplied by S3, and S3 is R3 plus infinity. So topology of CFT is R4 plus infinity, which is S4. So black hole CFT has sphere topology, and this means CFT can be explained as a wave within tide. So this is the wave on the surface of black hole, which has a tide. This is a Dog event, which is CFT has a tide and gets observed to singularity. So when combining ADS and CFT, we have the shape black hole is a sphere with infinite curvature. CFT has 5D decode, and we transfer the final circle in DS3D to final sphere in DS3D. 3D. We can have a 5-dimensional CFT, which means a loop quantum gravity, so we can decode gravity of black hole. One more coordinate on the surface of 4D CFT. So if we can get close to black hole, we can get the data. Because you can decode the gravity loop near black hole, which makes CFT 5-dimensional. Now we know the Hawking radiation, and within Hawking radiation, we can extract the information of black hole. So this is what is Hawking radiation, the meaning of Hawking radiation. So we can, within Hawking radiation, we can use black hole as a quantum computer. Yeah. So black hole is the tool for incoming information, and Hawking radiation is the tool for outcoming information. In this way, we can use Hawking black hole as quantum information, quantum computer.